Hi friends, today I'm making creamy chicken rolls, Sri Lankan Chinese roll style, a classic street food favorite. If you have ever walked past a bakery or street cart in Sri Lanka, you know this smell. Crispy on the outside, creamy and flavor packed inside. These rolls are must for tea time, parties, or late evening cravings. This is comfort food, street style, made easy at home. Let's get started. The first step is making the crepes. In a bowl, I have 1.5 cup of plain flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and pinch of turmeric for color. Add 1 egg and mix well. Keep this aside and I will show you the ingredients for the filling. For the filling, I am using chicken. I have cooked one chicken breast with salt, black pepper, a turmeric and teaspoon of vinegar, then shredded into a small pieces. I have chopped one onion, a small banana capsicum, one small carrot, curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, and we also need uh, some plain flour, fresh milk, butter, chili powder, and black pepper. Now I am going to make the crepes. Gradually add water to the flour mixture and mix until you get a very thin, smooth batter. The batter should be nice and smooth. So I am straining it into another bowl. I am also adding an extra pinch of salt. Keep this aside and let's move on to the next step, making filling. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon each ginger and garlic paste, followed by onion and curry leaves. Now add all the vegetables and cook until they soften. Season with this black pepper and salt, just enough for the vegetables. If you like bit of heat, you can add half a teaspoon of chili powder. Now add the chicken and cook everything together for about a minute. If you have green parts of leeks or spring onion, add them at this stage. Now add 3 teaspoons of plain flour and cook it for a few minutes. Gradually add 3 quarters of a cup milk and cook, stirring until it thickens. I forgot to show you the shredded cheese. The amount is up to you. I am adding handful. Cook until the cheese melts and you get creamy filling like this. Turn off the heat and now the filling is ready. Let's move on to making crepes. Make crepes this thin, you need a good quality pan. Keep the heat on low to medium. Lightly glaze the pan with some butter. Then add 1 spoon of batter and spread it out, just like I am showing you. Make sure to cook both sides. Some people don't, but I like my crepes fully cooked. Make all crepes first. Normally, I make the rolls while cooking the crepes. It's easier because while one is cooking, you can roll the other. But today, I want to show you this properly without rushing. I will show you that method later. Now it's time to roll them. Just carefully watch how I am doing it. I am using the leftover batter as a glue to seal the roll. If you roll them while the crepes are still warm, they stick by themselves and you won't need the batter to seal them. Now I am going to crumb the rolls. I am using my leftover batter by adding one egg and mixing it well. You need a good quality breadcrumbs. Use your both hands, one hand for wet mixture and the other hand for the dry crumbs. Take a roll and dip it fully into the batter, then use your dry hand to coat it with breadcrumbs and until it completely covered. Now we are at the final step, frying the rolls. This is a deep fry recipe. You can air fry them by spraying a little oil on top, but the deep fried version is much tastier. Fry the rolls until they turn golden and crispy on the outside. You can store these rolls in the freezer for a long time without frying them. Once they are fried, it's best to finish the same day. Otherwise, they can go soggy in the fridge. And here they are, creamy chicken rolls, Sri Lankan Chinese roll style, crispy and golden on the outside with rich creamy chicken filling inside. This is classic Sri Lankan street food. You can find in bakeries and street carts, perfect for tea time, parties, or evening cravings. Serve them hot and fresh and enjoy the perfect crunch with every bite. Thanks for watching.